War becomes brutal. American suicide drones ready to destroy Russian tanks in Ukraine. Ukraine has been provided with a new US-made weapon capable of causing serious problems for Russian troops. The Biden administration is reportedly about to supply the Ukrainian military with 100 units of the lightweight Switchblade missile system. The Switchblade is a baguette-sized bomb with a 6-mile range, and the US shipment will cost around £600 million. The missile setup can be carried in a backpack and, unlike most missiles, does not need a target before being launched. When the Switchblade missile is deployed, it is capable of flying over enemy lines to identify and then hit battlefield command and control headquarters. The lightweight weapon is controlled from a tablet computer and has increased the threat to high-profile Russian generals. Since the conflict began, 7 Russian high-ranking military figures are believed to have been killed by Ukrainian forces. The Switchblade was used by US soldiers in Afghanistan and Iraq. The missile system is actually similar to a miniature aircraft powered by a small propeller. It does not require a target before being launched. Instead, it flies at about 60 miles per hour for up to 15 minutes using an optical camera relaying video of the terrain to its controller. The missile can then stalk its target until close enough to nosedive for impact. The Ukrainians have already used the US-made Javelin anti-tank missiles to great effect in the early part of the war. But, the 20 kg weapon requires a bulky launcher and has a range of only 2.5 miles. The much lighter Switchblade has a range of 6 miles, however, it is ineffective against a tank or armored vehicles. Military intelligence believes the weapon system will become critical to the next phase of the war. It could erode the low morale among Russian troops because soldiers are left feeling exposed to sudden attacks. In the early stages of the war, Ukraine had about 30 Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones which targeted Russian tanks and devastated vital Russian supply lines. Ukraine has used Polish-made Warmate drones, which weighs 5.3 kilograms and can fly 3 miles and again dives at targets before exploding. Ukraine is also using jamming signals to bring down Russian drones. The fake signals disorientate the enemy drones.